Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's become a part of our everyday lives, but often gets overlooked. The tech trio of modems, routers, and switches. Now, I know what you're thinking. Tech talk. Boring. But hang on, this is actually super interesting and incredibly relevant to how we connect to the world around us. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll be the tech whiz in your friend group, and you might even impress your grandma with your newfound knowledge. So, let's kick things off with the modem. Picture this. The modem is like your internet gateway. It's the first point of contact between your home and the vast, mysterious world of the internet. When you sign up for internet service, your internet service provider, ISP, sends you a modem, or you can buy your own. This little box is responsible for converting the digital signals from your ISP into a format that your devices can understand. It's like a translator, making sure that all those ones and zeros get transformed into something useful, like streaming your favorite show or scrolling through social media. Now, here's where it gets a bit tricky. The modem connects directly to the internet, but it doesn't share that connection with all your devices. That's where the router steps in. Think of the router as the traffic cop of your home network. It takes that internet connection from the modem and distributes it throughout your house. If you've ever connected to Wi-Fi at home, you've interacted with a router. It creates a local area network, or LAN, allowing multiple devices, your phone, laptop, smart TV, and even that smart fridge to access the internet simultaneously. It's like throwing a big Wi-Fi party, and everyone gets to join in. But wait, there's more. Not all routers are created equal. Some are better suited for larger homes or those who stream a lot of video. You might have heard of dual-band routers or tri-band routers. These terms refer to the number of frequency bands the router can use to communicate with your devices. A dual-band router can operate on both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. The 2.4 GHz band has a longer range but can be slower and more congested, while the 5 GHz band is faster but has a shorter range. So if you're in the back of the house and your Wi-Fi signal is weak, you might want to consider upgrading to a router that supports both bands. Now, let's talk about switches. You might not hear about switches as much, but they play a crucial role in managing local traffic. If you've got a lot of devices connected to your network, maybe you're a gamer with multiple consoles or a family with tons of smart devices, a switch can help. It's like an extension of your router, allowing you to connect more wired devices to your network. Think of it as adding more lanes to a busy highway. The switch directs data traffic between devices on your local network, ensuring that everything runs smoothly without any bottlenecks. And here's a little fun fact. Switches operate at a data link layer, which means they can make decisions about where to send data based on the MAC addresses of connected devices. This makes them super efficient. Instead of broadcasting data to every device on the network, switches send it only to the device that needs it. This is why you'll often find switches in offices or places where a lot of devices need to communicate with each other without slowing down the network. Now, let's not forget about access points. If you've ever found yourself wandering around your house, phone in hand, desperately searching for a Wi-Fi signal, you'll appreciate what access points can do. They extend your Wi-Fi range, allowing you to connect to the internet in those hard-to-reach corners of your home, like the attic or the garage. An access point connects to your router via an Ethernet cable and creates a new Wi-Fi signal. It's like giving your Wi-Fi a megaphone so it can reach further. So, if you live in a big house or have a lot of devices, investing in access points can be a game changer. You won't have to worry about buffering during your watching sessions or losing connection during an important video call. Plus, they're usually pretty easy to set up, so you can have that extended range without too much hassle. Now that we've broken down the roles of modems, routers, switches, and access points, you might be wondering how all of this fits together. Picture your home network as a well-oiled machine. The modem is the entry point. The router distributes the connection, switches manage local traffic, and access points extend your reach. When all these components work together seamlessly, you get a fast, reliable internet connection that keeps you connected to everything you love. And here's the best part. Understanding how these devices work empowers you to make better decisions when it comes to your home network. Whether you're upgrading your internet plan, buying new devices, or troubleshooting connection issues, you'll have the knowledge to navigate the tech landscape like a pro. So, the next time you're setting up a new router or trying to figure out why your Wi-Fi is spotty in the kitchen, remember this tech trio. Modems, routers, switches, and access points. They're all essential players in your internet experience. By knowing how they work together, you'll not only improve your own connectivity, but also be able to help friends and family with their tech troubles. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I hope you found this breakdown of the tech trio helpful and informative. If you have any questions or want to dive deeper into any of these topics, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, stay connected.